What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on HCMC stock. First of all, brief information about this company. Healthier Choices Management Corporation is a holding company which focuses on providing consumers with healthier daily choices with respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. It appears through the following segments: grocery and vapor. And for now its total market cap right under $400 million. And we all know that the main rumors around this company is from this date, from November the 30th, and it was the date when Healthy Choices Management files patent infringement lawsuit against Philip Morris. And let me quote a little bit. HCMC's lawsuit includes claims that Philip Morris is infringing HCMC patent rights in connection with IQOS, an alternative tobacco product marketed and sold by Philip Morris. Philip Morris claims that it is currently approaching 14 million users of its IQOS product and has reportedly invested over $3 billion in their smokeless tobacco products. And it is a huge lawsuit, and let me show you this information. We are on just dockets and filings, and as you can see, it is a Healthy Choices Management Corporation versus Philip Morris USA, and we have nature of suit is patent rights. And here we have on January 19th we have filing 23. Order granting number 22, motion for extension of time to answer. Philip Morris USA Incorporated, answer due to 26th of February 2021, signed by Judge Timothy C. Baden, etc. So Philip Morris has less than 5 days to give the answer to the lawsuit, and it might be a lawsuit, it might be some settlement before the court, and we don't know it for now. But here is another information. We are on Fintel.io, and here is the insider trading and ownership report, as you can see, form 3, 4 and 5. And here is some interesting data that on February the 19th Andrei Kalantzopoulos, I'm sorry for the pronunciation, but it doesn't matter for now, he sold 40,000 shares, and it is several $million. And here is another name, as you can see, Emmanuel Babo, and he sold his stake of a little bit less than 14,000 shares, and it is more than $1.2 million, and it is for tax purposes. And in my opinion, it is the huge amount to pay taxes. And let me give you this information. We are on market screening, and here is the Philip Morris International change in directors or principal officers regulation FD disclosure, financial statements and exhibits, form 8K. And here is the information. Mr. Babo annual base salary will be at $1.2 million. So does he pay his annual salary as a taxes, or maybe it is something different? Let me show you this information. He is a CFO in Philip Morris, and Andrei Kalantzopoulos is CEO, and his salary in Philip Morris is a little bit less than $17 million. Huge amount of money. And as for him, he paid taxes only with 4,000 shares, a little bit higher. It might be coincidence, it might be just my assumption of this company. But in my previous video, by the way, all the links will be in the description below, I've told you that insiders of HCMC, they bought their shares, and as you can see here, so many people they sell their shares right before this date, right before the February 26th. It might be coincidence. It's up to you to decide whether this information is good or bad for you. But I have to say that it is what it is. And here is our chart. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. in this case you won't miss my next video. So my technical part will be a little bit shorter. We have this formation, we have this price movement, and we hit our third accumulation zone and we poke through it, and for now we are hovering around 11% lower than our last accumulation zone and more than 30% lower from our first accumulation zone. But let me show you this formation. Here is the channel, and we are hovering right inside this channel, and this channel with this pole means bullish flag. Here it is, as you can see, we have a flag pole, we have the flag itself, and we have a continuation of trend, and this movement is exactly the same that this one. And let me show you this. We have the same arrow as this one. It hits our target to the tick and even poke through it. So in my opinion, we still have a viable target around $0.0075 per share, and I have to say that it is a very risky trade. I gave you all the information that I have, and it is up to you to decide whether you want to enter this trade or not. But if you want to enter this trade, just follow 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. It is the most important rule that I have to warn you that we might go to literally to the zero with this stock. That's why it is very risky and very rewarding trade. The second rule is do not go all in. And as I already mentioned, you have to ladder your buys down. As I've already told you, here was my entry points, and you have to buy even more if you believe in this company and if you believe that this information will give a catalyst for this company. And the third rule is do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And this is the pure technical rule that you have to be in trade if you want to try to catch the profits, and you don't want to be kicked off from this trade, and that's why you don't have to put your stop loss close to your entry price in order to be in trade. So that's it for now. I gave you all the information, and if you like this information, please like this video and subscribe if you want to subscribe to my channel in order to be prepared to next trade and be prepared to some analysis and be prepared to make some profits. See you next time, guys. Bye.